Okay, this next one, square of a binomial, this is actually one of the biggest mistakes I see, so you might want to highlight this. And what this you need to be careful with is if you have a plus b squared, this does not equal a squared plus b squared, and that's what I see a lot. What you need to remind yourself, and I always say if you have something like this, highlight it, put this on your note card or something, remind yourself that what this means is you need to take a plus b and multiply it by itself. Right? And when you see that, that reminds you that you then would need to FOIL. So if I FOILed this, I would have a squared plus ab plus another a times b, remember order doesn't matter when you're multiplying, plus b squared. And then I could combine these like terms and get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So just remember that if you have something like this squared, you have to write it out in FOIL. This does not equal a squared plus b squared. This is what I see a lot. Okay, so remind yourself of that. The other one is that if you have something like a plus b times a minus b, so where the terms are the same, the only thing that's different is the signs, you'll see what happens when we go ahead and FOIL. When I FOIL a times a, I get a squared. My outside terms, I get negative ab. My inside terms, I get a positive ab. And then I get negative b squared for my last terms. And what's always going to happen when you have these, and these have a fancy name, they're called conjugates. So when you have conjugates, which means the same terms but opposite signs, what's always going to happen is these middle terms right here are going to cancel out. Negative ab and ab cancel each other out. And so this is just going to equal a squared minus b squared.